Hello everyone. Welcome back to the 1C for the year 12 general maths again. Um so we did the frequency table, bar chart, and also the histogram already. And now what we do is we're gonna continue with something new knowledge what we never did before. Is a log form. So what we do is start with the log form. The log of the number of power of 10 create this number. So log is a part of the strategy for the mathematics to calculations. Um, I want you guys to remember if you had the same number here with the same number inside, that equal to 1. And which means log 10 to 10 to the power of 1. So if you know the 10 to the power of 1 equal to 10, so that will be 10 that equal to 1. So 10 log 10 to the power of 10 squared that equal to 2. And so we just keep continuing. So we can clearly say log 10 to the power of n equal to n, so which is your power. So now what we do is we have examples here. So which is we're going to use CAS calculator to calculate. Why we need the log? Because sometimes we create the histogram is too large for us to create a histogram. You can say you had a 4,800, you had 136,000, and then another one is 7. So it's too big, too broad. And then what we do is, so we could using these numbers to put into the log. So we could do is for example log 10 4,800 put into the CAS calculator that equal to put in the CAS, and you will find that equal to approximately 2 decimal places 3.68. And if I put this a log 10 136,000 into the CAS, that approximately equal to 5.13. So you can say it's not the big range between each numbers. So that's why we're using log to using our frequency table. So I will show you how to using the log to calculate in CAS. So I want you guys to to open your CAS calculator and put these weights in your first column. So which is W in your first column. So weights in the first column. And the second column, which is I want you guys using log weight. And in the equal sign here, I want you guys just tap log, which is log, bracket, and whatever the name in front here into the bracket. And then you will get automatically, you will get your decimals. That's perfect. Once you've done that, and I want you guys to using Control I again, so or maybe Control Document to add data and statistics. And down the bottom, which is I want you guys just enter the name of the second list in here. Okay, have to be matched. And then you just type histogram and press enter. You will see your histogram. But can you see the gap in between? So I don't want this gap in between. So what I do is I change the menu in the plug properties. I want you guys to change the property bin settings to the equal bin settings, which is 1 and 0. And you will say this is your graph. And then I want you guys to press menu again using zoom and window zoom and zoom data. And then that will be the perfect histogram in the end. Hopefully that makes sense. So sometimes if we're given the logarithm form and raising by 10 powers logarithm with numbers, we can determine the conventional numbers. For example, if a number is 3,467, we're using log which is we can set with 3.54. So if you're going backwards, so 10 to the power of 3.54, that will equal to 3,467. And so let's start with some examples here. So if I say the earthquake using the log scale and calculate how many times stronger the earthquake will be magnitude 7.4 than one of the magnitude of 5.2. So give the current answer. So what we do is we're gonna using that as the logarithm. So we say log 10 7.4 and log 10 5.2, and to find out your answer with CAS. So practice questions will be on here. So I want you guys to go through, and exam questions will be down the bottom. We can go through during the class as well. So hopefully that all makes sense for you. Yeah, so log is pretty important for you guys to understand, and then especially in the CAS. So I will run this one in the classroom again. All right, see you guys next time.